ladies. Come on, hands up this time.
No way!
Come on, no way. Still? Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God! Just on my hair. See, I wish you could just sit here all day.
This is great. I want to do this
Best
again.
ride ever.
Can we do this again?
Ask your mom. It's $20 a ride.
Oh, that's a lot.
It is a lot, but totally worth it. Oh my God!
Let's just find another car. I want to do this
Do
again.
that all day.
Yeah!
How was it?
Great!
Good?
Next time I go put my hands up.
Not that bad, right?